Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and healthy. So, it's your science class, and we are going through the first chapter of your science book, that is nutrition in plant. That is by which way plant are able to make their food. So, in our previous day, we have discussed about this portion, that is the nutrition in plants, the process of photosynthesis. So, in our previous video, we have discussed about photosynthesis. So now in this video we are going to talk the remaining portion of photosynthesis. So the next point is role of leaves in photosynthesis. So in our previous video we have known that the place of occurring photosynthesis is a green leaf of green plant. That is, mainly photosynthesis is occur in green leaves. So what are the role of leaves in photosynthesis? So let's see what is written here. Synthesis of food takes place at the leaves. In other word, it is the site of photosynthesis. All the four things, that is CO2, H2O, sunlight and chlorophyll, are required to possess must reach in the leaf. So the four raw material for occurring photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So and as the site of photosynthesis is leaves, so it have to reach these four raw material to the leaves. So how the four raw material reach to the leaves, we will talk about now. At first, leaves contain green pigment chlorophyll in the cell. They help leaves to capture the sun energy. So the sun's energy, that is the solar energy, is absorbed by the chlorophyll which is present in the green leaves. Okay. Second is carbon dioxide. How carbon dioxide is reached to the plant, to the leaf of the plant. There are small or tiny pores called stomata on the surface of the leaves. Through the stomata, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enter in the leaf. Oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesis, and water transpiration also go out from the leaves through this stomata. So, by the help of stomata, carbon dioxide entered into inside the plant body, and after finishing the process of photosynthesis, the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. Oxygen also evolved in the atmosphere by the help of the stomata. So, stomata help a crucial role in the stomata help a very important role to enter and go out of carbon dioxide and oxygen inside and outside of plant body. Okay. And the next is figure 1.6 show the structure of stomata. It has an opening called stomatal opening in the center. An opening is surrounded by two kidney-shaped guard cells. So look at this picture. This is a picture of a stomata. The vacated portion between the stomata is called stomatal opening. And this stomatal opening is guarded by two bean-shaped or two kidney-shaped cells. This cell is called guard cell. Okay. Now move to the next point. What happens when plant with reduced leaf like the desert plant? In desert plant like cactus, leaves are reduced to spine. This prevents the reduction of loss of water by transpiration. The stem in this plant become green to carry out the photosynthesis. So in case of desert plant, as in desert area there are scarcity of water. That is, water is not available. So in that region, to reduce water transpiration through the stomata are modified into leaves, into spine. So the leaves of the desert plant are modified into spine. That's why the photosynthesis process take place in the stem. So that's why the stem of desert plant are green in color. Okay, that is the chlorophyll present in the stem of the desert plant. Okay. Next, what happened to photosynthesis in plant with red, brown or violet leaf? So you must see that many other plant are there whose leaves are differently colored, that is red or yellow or orange. So for this plant, what will happen? So look at this paragraph. In all such leaf, green color also present in addition to red, brown, yellow and other pigment. However, the amount of red, brown, yellow and other pigment is very high in comparison to green color, and therefore the pigment masks the green color. Photosynthesis does take place in all these leaves. Instead of having the red, brown, orange, a different color, the green color, that is chlorophyll, also present in these leaves. But the amount of chlorophyll is so small that the color of green color is masked by the other color. But in those plant, photosynthesis process takes place, and it is taken place by the help of chlorophyll only. Okay. You might have seen some plant which have white and green part in the same leaf. These are called variegated leaves. Remember that photosynthesis will not take place in the white portion of such leaves. Common example are those are money plant, croton and callas. So in some type of plant, that is money plant, you will see in money plant the leaves are, beside having green color, there are also occur white color also in a leaf. So in this plant, the white color is not perform the photosynthesis process. Only green portion of the leaf, only green portion of the money plant are able to do photosynthesis. Okay.